In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Trading 212 transaction history. Before we dive into practical navigation, let's clarify what the Trading 212 newsfeed is and why it matters. The newsfeed brings together market news, company updates, and key financial headlines in one place. It's designed to help you stay updated before you place a trade, so you can quickly understand what's moving the markets or a specific stock on any given day. Let's start with the quickest way to check the latest updates. Open Trading 212 and head to the home screen. Make sure you're in the standard view so everything displays clearly, then simply scroll down. Here, you'll see a stream of the latest market news and trending financial updates. This is the fastest way to get a snapshot of what's happening across the market without digging into individual instruments. It's perfect when you need a quick pulse check before taking action. If you want news tailored to a specific company, open any stock from the search bar or your watch list, then scroll down or tap the Feed or News section. This area focuses on headlines and updates that directly relate to that stock, sometimes mixed with posts from the community. It's especially helpful for stock-specific research, like earnings announcements, product news, or analyst notes that could impact price movements. When reading here, pay attention to the timing and source of each headline so you can distinguish fresh developments from older context. There's also a dedicated place to explore broader discussion alongside news. Go to the Social or Feed tab and tap See All. From there, you can switch between posts and news to filter what you're seeing. If you prefer everything in one stream, you can enable the News in Instrument Feed option to mix news with posts. This setup is useful if you like seeing both headlines and community sentiment together, while still being able to toggle back to a news-only view when you want less noise. A quick note on how to use the feed effectively. Treat it as a tool for quick updates rather than a full research solution. It's excellent for breaking news and earnings updates, but it isn't meant to replace in-depth analysis. Use it to get oriented, then complement what you find with more detailed sources before making decisions. With these approaches, you'll navigate the Trading 212 newsfeed confidently and stay informed when it matters most.